Now, friends, please remember ESOS, Employee Stock Option Scheme, ESPS, Employee Stock Purchase Scheme, SARs, Stock Appreciation Rights Scheme, PEP, Phantom Equity Plan, and RSU, Restricted Stock Units. Now, these are the 5 very commonly used options. And therefore, for all of us to be confident and well versed with the implementation, designing, implementation, monitoring of the ESOP schemes, it is absolutely must that all of us should have a clear understanding about all these 5 different categories of options, and which I now plan to discuss with you with the help of an example one by one. So number 1 is ESOS, Employee Stock Option Scheme. Now remember it is under the ESOS. There is a real option given to an employee. For an example, ABC Limited grants 1000 stock options to Mr. Raj, a senior employee, at an exercise price of rupees per share. So please remember, as we were discussing earlier, the exercise price has to be mentioned at the outset itself. So the ESOP scheme will mention as to at what price the employees will be able to exercise the option. In this case, that exercise price is 100 rupees. The current market price is 100 rupees. The option vests after 3 years. So the exercise price which is offered to the employee as part of the stock option is same which is the current market price, and which is perfectly fine. After 3 years, when the employee is eligible to exercise the option, what is going to be the situation? The situation is going to be, number 1, the market price is 250 rupees. So the exercise price is 100 rupees, market price is 250 rupees. So Raj decides to exercise all 1000 options. Now please remember here, the exercise price is important in case of an option, and so is the spot price. The spot price or the market price in this case is 250 rupees. Now, since the exercise price is 100 rupees, and after 3 years, the spot price or the market price has become 250 rupees. That means this company has done well, and as a result of that, the company's market price has increased from 100 rupees to 250 rupees, which means the Mr. Raj will have to exercise the option. And why he will have to exercise the option? Because if he exercises the option, he is going to get a gain of 150 rupees. 250 rupees minus 100 rupees, 150 rupees is his gain. Please remember, options are always a right and not an obligation. We will discuss more about it, but just to give you a small introduction about it at this point in time. So options are always more of a right, and are only right, and there is no obligation. Meaning what? Meaning Mr. Raj is given an option here of 1000 stocks. So he has a right, but he does not have an obligation. Meaning what? Meaning after 3 years, when the vesting period is over, Mr. Raj has a choice to exercise the option, and he also has the choice not to exercise the option. Meaning what? Meaning since the price has become 250, Mr. Raj will decide to exercise the option and take the 1000 stocks from the company. But hypothetically, if the market price after 3 years was to have gone down to 80 rupees, then what Mr. Raj would do? Would he be under an obligation to purchase exercise the option? And the answer is no. Why? Because it is an option. It's only an option, it's not an obligation. So Mr. Raj exercises all 1000 options because the spot price is greater than the exercise price. So you may like to make a note here. The rule is when the exercise price, when the spot price or the market price is higher than the exercise price in case of a call option, and this is an example of a call option. So in that case, the holder of the option will exercise. But if the spot price is lower than the exercise price in case of a call option, then the holder of the option will not exercise it because he does not make any gain by exercising it. And why does he not make any gain? Since we have a mixed profile of the participants, just to make it very simple, if he exercises the option, it would mean what? It would mean that he would need to purchase 1000 shares from the company by paying 100 rupees each for those shares, whereas the spot price is 80 rupees. That means he can always purchase, if at all he is interested, he can always purchase these shares from the open market where he will get at 80 rupees. So when I am able to purchase these shares at 80 rupees in the open market, why do I have to exercise the option and pay 100 rupees for these options? So what is going to happen? He will be, when he exercises the option, he will pay 100,000 rupees to the company. Number of option is 1000, exercise price is 100, and therefore he will pay 100,000 rupees to the company. And what is the market value? The market value, the current market price is 250 rupees. Number of the options are 1000. So 250 into 1000 is 2,50,000 rupees. And that means he is getting a perquisite value. He is getting a perquisite value, and that is rupees 150,000. So he is getting a perquisite value of 1,50,000. Now remember, this will be taxed in his hands as a perquisite under section 17 subsection 2 clause 6 of the Income Tax Act. So it will be taxed in the hands as a perquisite. So this is your ESOS, employee stock option scheme.